keyboard came in, but it came to my mom's house. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I put my address, but whatever. I opened the box to look at it, but I didn't like open it. I just opened it to look at my mom's house because I couldn't wait. Oh, wait a second. Oof. That better? So, it's just in this bigger box. It's cool that packaging. Sick as shit. There's a peep right here, which is just my mechanical keyboards order. And it comes with a sticker that is definitely going on my skateboard. Ooh. I get 5% off my next order. Sick. On that paper. Sick. So here it is. Wow, Ducky 1-2 mini. Look at that shit. So clean. I should probably do this in landscape. I'll be back. And I'm back. Anyways, look at that shit. So sick, so clean, so smooth, my love. I need to record audio with this. But I'll do that later. For now, I'm too excited to open this. Sick. I got me these speed silver switches, so they're like a little shorter, so they click like a little faster. And they're not like as loud. I guess they're not as loud as like the blue and the brown ones, because the blue ones are really fucking loud, and so are the red ones, I think. But they're not as loud as the blue. I think the blue are the loudest, and these silvers are the one like they're just the shorter, faster switches. Sick. I gotta figure out how to open this because I'm a monkey. You know what? Oh, this is the protective plastic. Look at this. Where'd you go? Hello? Okay. Ooh, it's kind of heavy. It's almost as heavy as this one. My old one. So 6, it's a lot shorter though, compared to the seconds. Also, this. We got cables. It's all folded and stuff instead of like wound up and round because they're kind of dumb. Not really good for your cables, but you know, it's fine. These pinkish, reddish, you know, fucking keycaps. Let me see. There we go. You can see that better. Pretty cool. Come with shift and enter, I think. Escape and all that stuff. Some of the logo on it. And the year of the boar space bar. Pretty sick. I'm probably putting that on immediately. Little wired keycap remover, my lubby. Pretty sick. Little manual. Or some kind of card thing. I don't know. Hello? Hello? Whatever. Also, I got donuts from my mom's house that I stole from Albert because, well, they're not his, but you know, I stole them because I like donuts. And I had an ice cream sandwich earlier, which was delicious. I ate it on the way here. Little protector bag. I don't know who made my desk for this. But they didn't pay. It wasn't me. But anyways, here is the keyboard. Ooh. And apparently the metal one that I wanted is supposed to be heavier. Look at this. Yeah, they're pretty short. Look at that. You can see those. You put like a different setting to use the arrows and stuff if you want to use them. I don't use them a lot. That's why I didn't get them. That's why I got like a 65% keyboard instead of a full keyboard. This is 65%. And this is my old Red Dragon one that I've had for fucking 5 years. Look at that. Look at that. Woohoo. Well, that's like the wrist rest, like, you know, most keyboards don't have this, like, attached to it. But yeah, look at that shit. It's so tiny compared to it. Which is awesome, so I have more desk room. And, yeah. Sick. The back of it's white. Pretty sick. It'll probably sound better on the microphone, but anyways, yeah, I'm gonna plug it in and try it out. Okay, so right here, I forgot to tell you that I was gonna change the keycaps, or I mentioned that I was gonna change them, and also I put on the HyperX keycaps that I also got, which I didn't mention earlier, but my keycaps did come in. I just recorded it the next day, and I thought I had a clip on it, but I didn't, so. That's what I'm putting on after this. After putting on the red and spacebar. Now these are the arrow keys. Usually you'd put them like right here so you see the arrows, but I don't know how to properly type. So it'd be nice if I knew where the fucking letters were. But I think I can. I have enough muscle memory to, I think, remember. But anyways, I'm just gonna be safe and not use these because they're at the bottom of here anyway, so I'll be able to see those anyway. So just to make myself not look stupid later on, I'm gonna leave those on. Hey, here it is. Desk has way more space. Now I can make more of a mess. You know, I feel bad about it. You can see them a lot better. Very nice. And more room for mousing. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I like it a lot. Now I gotta figure out how to change all the settings and stuff. But yeah, sick. That looks like a pretty good spot. I kept this in because it looked cooler. Like, I'd rather have this design than the have a little bit more glowing, because this is the main part anyways. Let me see. Look at that. This one. Like, that one's really cool. It's a lot slower, which is a little easier on the eyes, which is pretty cool. That purple looks really nice. Actually, all these colors look really nice. That green. Where is this? I don't like this too much. It's kind of, I don't know. It's a little too like random and like kind of tacky, if you ask me. This one. Oh, that's the caps lock. By the way, that's why I was glowing. Oh yeah, this is when you press a button, it'll like do a wave. Like that. So when you're just typing, that's a little cooler. It's a little brighter than the last one. Then it was just like going random and ugly. That's pretty sick. Okay. I love you. Oops, I fucked that up. But it looks fucking sick as fuck. You're the cutest in the world. And I don't know how to type properly, because I never learned, because I don't pay attention in class. Really. That's pretty cool. This one. What the fuck? Oh, you choose what color you want, right? Oh, this just lights them up. Oh, this is the single ones. Okay, and it just does that. That's pretty cool. It doesn't do a wave, it just lights it up for a second, for a couple seconds. This one, I don't know how the fuck to work this one. This one changes the colors. Oh, okay, so you can have a single color. This, you can choose whichever color you want, and I think if you do something else, it'll give you like a wider selection of colors. I don't know how to do it though, but there's one thing you press to where these will light up different colors, like this will be purple, orange, and stuff, and you can choose one of those instead of one of these three. But luckily, I would have green or red, to be honest, because I like green or red. So that's not really a problem for me. Oh, oops, this one. So red. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, I think these add colors together and stuff, I guess. So if I do this, it'll make it purple. Pink. Oh, sick. So now it's red. That's pretty sick. But this one, now it's solid. This actually looks sick as fuck. This might be the coolest one. I don't know if you can see it very well. Let me turn the light off. That's pretty sick. This one I can... Oh, fucking sick. Look at that shit. My lobby. So cool. So it's greener. Whoa. That looks cool as fuck. That's pretty sick. Anyways. I guess this one makes it brighter. This one's like a sonar. I think I showed that one on FaceTime. I'm trying to use the back camera because it is better. This one is just off. This is, you know, normal. How it usually is. But yeah, that's it. Those are my HyperX PBT translucent keycaps. What is it? Double shot PBT keycaps. Yep. But yeah, pretty sick. I'm in love with you. You. And this keyboard. It's fucking awesome. I still need to get used to like using it because obviously it's a different size and the keyboard. These keys come up, and my other ones were flat. But it's fucking awesome. I love it so much. I love it so much, my love. Anyways, my love, that's it. That's my unboxing, and you know, keycaps, switchy thingies, like me changing the keycaps and stuff. So yeah, it took me all day to make this video, mostly because I was at work. But you know, if I wasn't at work, I'd probably would have done that in one shot. But yeah, I love it. I love the keycaps. I love this keyboard. It's awesome. It's all clicky, which is fucking awesome. Which I need to record on my microphone, which I'll do later, probably tomorrow. No, when the fuck do I have free time? Sometime I'll do it. But my finger look weird. Does it look kind of funky? Anyways, I love you. That's it. I love you. Have a wonderful day. I already said bye and like and subscribe on the first part of this video because I didn't know I was going to add this on at the end. But I could probably just edit that out. I guess that'd be a good practice. So you might not see it. I'll see you next time I have a video, which will be not soon. Maybe soon. Actually, no, I need to get to work. I'll probably do it soon. But I love you. Thanks for being here for me, my lobby. Thanks for not telling me I'm stupid. I love you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.